Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is being sponsored by DivasWigs. Now DivasWigs has revamped their wig collection. You now get the option of having a pre-plucked hairline with your wig, as well as bleached knots, and you get 6 inches of parting space on your wigs. Girl, let me tell you something. This is what I need in all of my wigs. You know how much time I saved from not having to bleach or pluck the hairline on this wig? Come on, child. Let's get into it. Now, when it comes to the structure of this wig, it's pretty much standard with your combs and your elastic band. As you can see, the lace has been bleached, so you don't have to worry about that. And just showing you guys a close-up of the hairline of what you can expect with this wig. So I did not go in and do any plucking on this wig. This is the actual hairline on this wig. I do feel like they maybe over bleached the hairline just a little bit, but not a whole lot. And I did go ahead and do my baby hairs off camera and doing the frontal on a mannequin head. So I'm going to style the hair by putting some crimps in it, and I'll be back. Oh, and by the way, in case someone is wondering, I am using a ion crimper that I got from Sally's. I'll have the link below, and I'm using some frozen stiff or beyond the zone hairspray to lock in the crimps. Everything will be in the description bar. So now that I have my hair crimped and styled, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on. The density on this wig is 150%, which I definitely can appreciate with this wig because it is a lot more fuller. Of course, your lace frontal wig is going to come with extra lace that you don't need. So make sure you cut the lace off around your ears to give a more natural look, ladies. Okay, so after cutting the lace off of this wig, as you guys can see, it's way too light for my skin tone. So I'm going to go in with my face powder and I am going to tint the lace so that it looks more like it blends into my skin. This is something that a lot of people get with their wigs is after you bleach your wig or you get your wig, it doesn't match your skin tone. So what you can do to easily fix that is apply like some sort of powder, or you can tint the lace, which is a whole process that I hate to go through, so I just prefer to tint my lace instead. So I'm just going to continue to style my hair and I'll be back. Like, yo, I am really not mad at this wig at all. The simple fact that the only thing I really had to do was, you know, do my hairline to my liking and crimp the hair or style it or whatnot. And I'm pretty much ready to go. Like, this wig saved me so much time from plucking to bleaching. Like, I can really appreciate the changes that DivasWigs have made to their wigs to make their wig more convenient and more easy to apply and install. Like, this is crazy how I did not have to do anything basically to make this wig look the way it looks. I do feel like they did over bleach the hairline just a little bit, but what I did to fix that is just go in with a little bit of mascara on the areas that was probably a little over processed. So let's just take a moment to show you guys the part on this wig. I did not do any type of plucking to this part whatsoever. Just added a little bit of concealer and I'm good. Okay, this wig purchasing information will be in the description bar. If you're looking for a wig that you don't need any professional help with, this is the wig for you.